This is a quick overview of why right triangles created with altitudes to the hypotenuse are similar. So, first of all, here's my original right triangle, and I made a copy. You can see it's the same triangle right there, same angles. And I'm going to cut it apart. I'm going to do an altitude here, going from the hypotenuse, making 90 degrees to that vertex. So I'm going to cut my triangle apart. And I create two new right triangles. Why do I create two new right triangles? Well, if it's an altitude, it has to make a 90-degree angle. That's on both sides. Now, sometimes on your drawings, you'll see just the altitude right here, right? And they'll just have one of the 90-degree angles marked. But that implies that that angle, if they both make a straight line, 180 degrees, that angle has to be 90 degrees. Now, why are these triangles similar? Well, pick an easy number, acute angle that we could put into this thing, and I'm going to pick some numbers that these aren't. We'll pretend this is 20 degrees, right? If that's 20 degrees, then that has to be 70 degrees, and that's still 90, all right? Well, since this piece here came from right there, this piece has to be 20 degrees. All right. Well, just by angle similarity, I know that this triangle is similar to that one. All right. But I can go even further. Well, if this is 20, then that has to be 70 because I have 90, 20, and 70 makes 180 degrees. All right. Now, if this is 70 on this piece, this triangle has to be 72. It came from the same part. 70 degrees. All right. Well, if that's 70 and this is a triangle and that's 90, then that has to be 20. So you can see that it creates three similar triangles. Your original triangle, and your two smaller triangles that are all similar. Now, what makes it very confusing for a lot of people, it's very easy to see the similarity here. All right, you can see if I just turn it, wow, I can see the relationship. What's hard is here, because if I turn it, okay, I can turn it like this, but that's not quite the same orientation. But if I turn it all the way around, and then I flip it, you can see, oh, there it is, and there it is. If you look underneath there, there's the pink angle, so I can mark that one pink. That's the altitude I had before. And here's the green angle, which I marked green. So you can, when setting up your proportions, turn all of your triangles so that they're oriented in all the same direction. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One is to turn it, but my preferred way, my faster way, is to actually have them all oriented like the original triangle. All right? Have them all oriented just like the original triangle, and use color to keep my side straight.